Masakit ba talaga ang root canal? Root canal equals horror story. Hindi na ngayon. Thanks to our modern technique, mas mabilis na, mas comfortable, at mas halos walang sakit na. In fact, mas masakit pa ang untreated na toothache. Ang root canal ay ginagawa para alisin ang infeksyon sa loob ng ngipin. Para siyang deep cleaning lang sa loob ng nerve area. At oo, may anesthesia. So, walang dapat ikatakot after the procedure. Pwedeng may konting discomfort lang, pero manageable ito with medication. Root canal saves your tooth and your smile. Hindi mo kailangan na matakot kung magaling ang gagawa. Root canal doesn't have to be scary. Trust Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab for your safe and pain manageable dental care.